Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today I'm going to show you a bunch of little woodworking projects that you can knock out in about 5 to 10 minutes each.
For real?
You betcha.
Let's get into it. This video is sponsored by me. I'm the sponsor. I'm sponsoring myself. This video was actually inspired by one of our subscribers, a woodworker in West Virginia named Jack. He sends me plans on a regular basis of little projects that he thinks I would enjoy building, and just the other day I received this in the mail. This little squirrel right here is an oven rack push-pull stick, and you can knock this project out in about 5 minutes. This got me to thinking, why don't I put together a whole list of projects that you can knock out in about 5 to 10 minutes of your free time? So that's what we're gonna do today. Project number 1 is the squirrel oven rack push-pull stick. I sketched out my own version and traced it onto a piece of cherry. I had it cut out on the scroll saw in just a few minutes. After some hand sanding, I used my wood burner to add a little face, and then I applied some boiled linseed oil for the finish. And look at that little critter go. Project number 2 is a letter opener. I grabbed a scrap of hard maple that was about 1/8 of an inch thick and traced on my design. I cut it out on the scroll saw and then used my bench sander to refine that pointed end. After some sanding, I added some details with my wood burner and applied some boiled linseed oil. That was a super fast project and pretty handy too. Let me take just a minute to tell you about today's sponsor. Just kidding, it's me, remember? If you want to make any of these projects yourself, I have made templates for all of them except for the last one, and they are available for free on our website, so just hit the link below. And while you're at it, consider supporting us by becoming a Grove member. The Grove members get between 5 to 6 plans for free every month.
That's a lot.
They also get access to our members only page of our website, where we have extra content, extra videos, and sneak peeks at upcoming projects. It's only $3 a month, and it really helps us to continue making projects like these and videos like these. If you're interested, just hit the link below. Now, back to our projects. Project number 3 is a book holder thing. I don't know what these things are called.
He doesn't even know what that is.
I drew out a design on a piece of cherry. Don't worry, the template on our website is much more refined. I used a 1-inch Forstner bit to drill out the hole and then cut it out. I refined the shape on the bench sander and did a little hand sanding. And coated it with some boiled linseed oil. Super quick project for all those avid readers who need just a little assist. Project number 4 is a custom magnet. This is another idea I got from Jack. Making little magnets of your home state is a great idea for gifts or an item to sell at markets. Once it was sanded, I drew a little design on it and went over it with my wood burner. After applying some boiled linseed oil, I used some CA glue to attach some magnets to the back. And voila! Some handmade, personalized magnets. Project number 5 is a little robot holder of things and may take a few more minutes to make. I took the rattiest piece of 4x4 I could find and ripped it down to 3 inches by 3 inches. Then I cut it into 2 3-inch cubes for the head and body of the robot. I set my table saw blade to 10 degrees and with a little MacGyvering, I cut 4 sides of one of the cubes. Once I had 2 sides of the block cut, I reattached one of the cutoffs to one of the cut sides to give myself a flat surface to ride along the fence. I took the other cube over to the drill press and used a 2-inch Forstner bit to drill out the center. Well, almost the center. How did that even happen? I used the bench sander to smooth out the blocks and round over all the corners, and because of my choice lumber selection, I kept losing little pieces. It was super annoying, but I made it work. With the blocks done, I rummaged up a piece of 1-inch dowel and cut it to 2 pieces about 2 inches long to use as the arms. Then I rounded off one side of the dowels and sanded a flat area on one side to sit flat against the block that will be the body. I took a piece of 1 1/4-inch dowel to use as the feet and used the table saw to split part of it down the middle. I cut the pieces free on the miter saw and then I rounded the ends over on the sander. I also flattened a portion of the rounded area so the body could sit on the top of the dowels. With all the pieces done, I started by screwing the 2 blocks together and then attached the rest of the pieces with glue and pin nails. I applied some gray spray paint and then it was time to accessorize. I took some half wooden beads and some little wooden cutouts left over from other projects and colored them with some markers. Once I had them in place how I liked them, I attached them with some CA glue. You can actually purchase these wooden bead halves. I'll leave a link to some in the description below. This little guy is pretty versatile. You can use him to hold paper clips, crayons for the kiddos, or a little plant like we did. Alright, well I feel like this list could go on and on, so let me know in the comments below if you like these simple little woodworking projects and maybe I'll put together another list. Don't forget we have templates for the first 4 projects available on our website for free, so if you want your copy, just hit the link below. And if you would like some extra free plans, then consider becoming a Grove member. Speaking of which, a special thank you to all our Grove members for supporting us. We really do appreciate you. I hope you all enjoyed today's projects. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.